I thought, am I going to find enough work to keep these guys busy? But that's not even a thing. We have too much work, you know? So that's a good problem to have.
We did about 1.2 last year, and we are on track. We're actually exceeding where we were tracking ourselves, which should be to do over 1.7 this year.
We started this year when we aim to do 20% plus, we smashed that in January.
Yeah, so we've it's been a brilliant year. We absolutely smashed it last year, and we're hoping to smash it this year.
Our big aim is to turn over £1 million. It'd be nice if we could do it this year. Business plan wise, we set that for 2024. So that's the big target at the moment in the short term. But yeah, we're looking to grow the business constantly.
So this year I think we'll be about 1.4 million, and then in the next few years that needs to be pushing towards 2 million. So so we're really going to start pushing over the next 2 or 3 years.
We've had our best year on record, so yeah, it's all certainly going in the right direction. You know, the idea is to build a team of people that I can trust to take on more responsibility so that I don't have to be there all the time.
I've said to myself, once we get 4 vans, I'm going to stick to that for a year. But I didn't think I was going to be having 4 vans within a year, so who knows? I don't know. What will be, will be.